Mm. I have already mentioned it. You don't need to say it again. Mm. Get along. Get along.
Hey, Pinky! What is this, ma?
Are you here? How beautiful. Abhirami, where did you buy this?
Kalyan sarees.
Show me, let me see. Oh, how much is this?
15,000.
15,000.
How was it?
It's
Is it good?
nice only, but Hari won't buy you like this sarees, no. One saree you'll wear for one function, after that you'll not wear, no. You're so lucky. Hey, it's very beautiful.
Thank you.
Border is so cute. Whatever it is, Abhirami, whatever you wear, you're so beautiful. It's superb, yeah. Why won't it be superb? Who is wearing this? Friends, come, we'll go and have. Waiting for you, come, no?
Bro, where is alcohol?
Hey, it's been arranged over there, man.
It's already time, man. Let's start
But there
it.
is one hack. While you'll be returning, they'll be checking. So in order to drop you back home, I have arranged Rajesh.
Very
vehicle.
good. In that case, we'll drink more. What do you say?
Mm.
Huh? Only 2 rounds. Only 2 rounds. That's it. It's already time,
Yeah,
man.
let's go.
Did you see the saree which Abhirami wore? It was very pretty, no?
Yeah, that's okay.
It was not okay. It was very beautiful. 15,000. Learn from Leo, okay? Husband should be like that.
Hmm. Hey, she's also earning. She's not like us.
Oh, not like that and all. You should have a good heart for
Oh,
that.
It's fine. You'll be happy if I get something like that, right?
Oh, as if you'll buy for me.
Hey, please stop blabbering, dear.
Is Pinky sleeping?
Mm.
What is all this commotion, dear? Come have a look at this one.
How is it looks?
It's actually looking pretty only.
Not that. Now you say. Is it good?
Yeah, it's looking good only.
Oh, okay. Did you know how much it will cost?
Maybe around 6,000, I think.
Just say a price.
800,000, 3,000, 4,000, 6,000 rupees.
Sure?
Hmm.
You will not change rate?
Hey, confirm.
Then you listen. 3,500.
3,500 only. I think it's a great deal.
I know that. This is my bargaining skill.
I really hope this kind of bargaining would be allowed in the bar also.
You didn't give any compliment for me a long time. Did you know that? I'm very happy. What I want to give you back for this compliment?
What is there to give?
Don't want anything? Anything?
At a time, only on job.
What?
When I focus on one thing, I can't focus on another thing.
Mm.
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 Morning it came in courier. What is it?
I don't know.
Hmm. What, yeah? Any bomb has come, huh? Open and see.
Hey, this is a gift from Leo friend. It's for Leo.
Whatever it is, open and see, no?
Simply go now.
Huh? Tell me.
Yes.
Madhav Das.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir.
I just sent you a small gift.
Got it. But that not necessary.
Oh, it's okay.
Thank you, sir.
People who like perfume, I also like them. Abhirami, your perfume smell. That perfume smell is still there in car. Even after Abhirami left.
Ayyo.
Did you like it?
Mm.
You will like it. Because I know what is your taste. We met only a few days before. Okay. Will you call me back? Abhirami, whatever problem comes, whatever the problem might be, you can call me.
Today also you drunk.
Only 2 pegs. There was a party at the office.
Other than any other excuses?
Hey, don't raise a gun on such petty issues. But that is not a problem right now. Next month you need to register the property.
I already told you, Leo. You must get back that advance.
The money that we gave, they actually spent it on their daughter's engagement.
Oh, then what we will do?
That is only confusion. We need to arrange the cash.
How?
I think we should actually rob a bank.
Don't joke.
Then what else can we do? Come, leave it.
You didn't finish it?
I think I'll be doing this work till morning, okay, dear?
Mm.
What is this perfume, dear?
How is it? Good, right?
Amazing, something special. Well, let me look. It has a good shape just like you. Costly. This is only your problem.
I didn't buy it. It's a gift.
Who gave it?
Leo, you know Neetu, right? Her brother purchased this from Gulf.
Lie.
No, it's true.
Hey, I know that you're trying to convince me, okay? Why don't you look me in the face? You gave money for this one, right? How much did you give? 2000?
Not 2000. 1000 only. Mm. Mm. How is it smells? Is it good?
I know your smell from the last 5 years. Is this something new for me?
Mm. Stop this. Can we sleep? I'm getting sleepy.
Why don't you sleep?
Then you?
I want to finish all these things. Then only I can sleep.
Okay, I'm going to sleep. And then, don't forget to keep the alarm.
Good night.
Madam, phone.
Hello?
Good evening.
Yes, sir.
What happened? There is something wrong with your voice.
No, I'm at beauty parlor.
Do you want to become more beautiful? Then what about boys' heartbeats?
Why did you call, sir?
Did this call disturb you?
Nothing like that.
Then what else?
Sir, not that. I have put face pack.
Oh, sorry. Okay, call me back when you're free. Okay,
Okay, sir. I will call you back.
bye.
Mummy, phone. Who is that, Mummy? Is it
No.
Daddy?
Why you need all this?
Hmm.
Hello?
Abhirami, you didn't call.
Oh, sorry, sir. After coming home, I had some other work.
Okay.
What happened, sir?
I had to listen to your sweet voice.
Oh,
Oh, I couldn't understand this working woman's. Full day office. After that, husband. Later, kids. One set of boring routine.
that is a part of my life. All are like this.
Yes. But the case of Abhirami, to work in a boring corporate office, do you need so much of beauty? It is not a joke, serious. Abhirami, why didn't you try working in media?
Sir is talking about.
Yes, cinema, serials, modeling. Can I say you something? You are so sweet. Like a modern girl.
Oh, thank you.
You can try on that.
Ayo, I never thought about that.
You want to?
I like it, but I don't know if I like it.
So what? Abhirami, you have a choice, don't waste it. It's too bad. After getting married, your dreams, your ambitions, why do you want to throw it away? Isn't a foolish thinking? That too in these modern days.
Maybe, but. Sir, are you married?
If I am, I will lose my love for her.
What are you saying about, sir?
Everything. Wherever the beauty is. Why are you laughing?
Sir, you talk so well.
The person who I liked.
Oh, thank you.
I already told you. You're so sweet. Words, behavior, everything. Abhirami, I'm giving an offer for you. If you don't mind, you can be a model of my jewelry. Are you interested?
Ayo, sir. Please, don't joke.
As soon as I saw you, this concept came into my mind. I just want to see you with a lot of gold. You don't have any gold on you, Abhirami, because you are a traffic stopper. You didn't reply for that.
Sir, I will.
I'm not forcing you. Think about it, okay?
Mm,
Good night.
good night.
Sweet dreams.
How do I look? Am I very beautiful?
Oh. Not that much.
You're always like this.
What did you ask me? You asked me if you're beautiful, right? Beautiful means something which is precious. Did you understand my point?
You will not understand.
I can't say if it's a right thing, but I fell for you.
Do I look like a model?
What is that? Like the model who appears in the Piles advertisement. Like that, right? Like that only.
Hey, don't joke. It's serious.
Are you interested in modeling or what?
Not like that. If I get offering from modeling, what is your opinion? Do you like it?
Do you like it?
For me, I don't have any problem. Then it's like extra earning, right?
What happened? Are there any offers?
Didn't come. If come,
Get such offers. Let us think about it. Right now I'm sleepy. Let me sleep, please.
Tata, bye,
bye.
Bye.
Mm,
Sir.
Hmm?
Phone.
Hi. Good morning, Abhirami. Is anything wrong?
I want to talk about that offer, sir. About modeling.
Yes, yes. Are you okay?
I just want to try.
Very, very good thinking. Abhirami, you are practical.
Not like that. Sir, you say it like that.
I didn't convince you. Abhirami's heart convinced it. Anyway, I want to see you.
Okay, sir. Where I want to come?
Today, are you not going to office?
I can take leave, sir.
Then do me a favor. You will get a call from my assistant, Margaret. She is my PA. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Please come, ma'am. Please come. Sir,
Hearty welcome to you, Abhirami.
Thank you,
Have
sir.
a seat. Abhirami, what do you drink?
Don't want anything, sir.
Maggie?
mm,
I didn't introduce her. She's a good photographer.
Huh. She already told.
Abhirami, what about your husband?
He went to Trivandrum.
Does he know anything? Do you have his permission?
I didn't say, but one thing, Leo, he's not against this.
Hmm. Abhirami, are you a feminist?
What, sir?
No, are you into female rights? Please.
Thank you. Thank you.
welcome.
Abhirami, do you like music?
Yes, sir. I have learned classical dance.
Oh, very good.
Sir, are you playing Mehdi Hassan?
Oh, programs?
No. After my marriage,
Suffering, isn't it? Classical dance, Hindustani music, perfumes. Aren't we liking same things? Did you see a lot of dreams?
a lot.
What's that?
Most of the time, I will be a princess. And then the aeroplane. And you know, another time, I was actually walking on the sea.
Everything have a psychedelic effect, right? I like it. Then, Abhirami, you like what kind of dresses? I mean clothes.
Usually, sari, chudidar.
Modern outfits.
I'll wear jeans, t-shirts, 3/4 shorts, everything. And then,
Any type of short dresses suits you. Because you have a beautiful structure.
ayo,
If God gave beautiful things to us, we must enjoy it. That's my philosophy. What about yours? Okay. Abhirami, your costumes are ready now. You can try it. Maggie will help you. Try it. Try it. Go now. Let me see. Abhirami's appearance.
okay, sir.
से तेरे नगमे मिलेंगे।